Hello guys, this is Oblivion Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the mouse point. Be able to make the character follow your mouse to there. Alright, so to start this off, we're going to right click and go to create and create a new another C# script. And from here we're going to call it mouse point or mouse follow, either one. Whatever you want to name it there. Let me just pull it up again. There you go. And from there, we're going to start by making a public variable called public float. There you go. Public float speed rot. And this would be for the rotation, how fast you want it to rotate. But for now, we're not going to be using void start, so delete that. Create a new we're going to put face mouse, and then right now it's red because it's not made, so we're just going to create it over here. We're going to call it a void face mouse, just capital M face mouse, parentheses, curly brackets. There you go. And we're going to start by calling it, putting a vector 3 mouse position equals input dot mouse position. From here, we're just gonna look. That's pretty much a line just to locate where the mouse locations positions at. So we're going to create a local variable of mouse position equals camera dot main dot screen to world point parentheses, and then we're going to put mouse position. I'm going to stop that from there. And then we're going to create another line, and it's called vector 2 because it's 2D. We're going to call it direction. Parentheses, equals new vector 2 mouse position dot x minus transform dot position dot x. And the same thing to the other one, mouse position dot y minus transform dot position dot y. And what this is doing, it's creating, let me show you here. Just give me a sprite. I'm just gonna use a sprite for now. This is just for reference. You don't gotta follow what I'm doing right now. You're just gonna do this. Drag that in here. Okay. So what this is doing is it's getting the position of the mouse, which is over here, and we're subtracting the position of what's on the player, the transform position of the player. So therefore, we get the distance of where the player should be pointing at. So that'll be able to move it from here to here, and it'll move it from here to here, here to here. And it'll just be able to follow it, in other words, by using the direction. Now we're just gonna go from we're gonna go here, and lastly we're gonna do transform dot right equals transform dot up equals vector 3 dot lerp parentheses transform dot up comma direction. I did not spell direction right. Direction comma speed rot, which is getting the speed. All right, so essentially what this is doing is we're getting the transformation, which is we're pointing to the right over here. And then we're getting the direction of where we should point, which is in direction where the mouse, where we're going to be able to find the location of the mouse. Note that. Find the location of the mouse. All right. And then what we're doing is we're gonna move the character to transform up, or just to move with the mouse on the direction of the mouse, using the speed of how fast we're rotating. Now from there, we're just gonna save this, and then go into our player. I'm just gonna take the sprite off of here. You guys don't have to do this. It's just I was using it for reference. I'm just gonna put that for none, and then we'll just drag the script of mouse point into the player, and just put a number. I'm just gonna put 3, and then hit play, and you'll be able to see your character rotating now. Oh, I forgot to mention. We go to main camera, and the reason why I was doing that is because it was putting it on the camera's location instead of the whole screen. So from there, we're just gonna go to camera, and then make sure your projection is orthographic, and from there, hit play, and you'll be able to rotate it around. There you go. Just like that. You better make the character follow the mouse. It's not, and the thing is, it's not like exactly to it, but that's as much as I can make it to. But the bullets will be able to shoot perfectly fine, because we'll be able to be, that's for the other episode though. Not giving you guys too much information from there. Alright, so that was all for this video, and hope you'll be able to see the next one, and I'll see you there.